I try to do the things that will help your teacher and help you to be able to have the best possible education that you can get.
Born in Danville, Illinois, Reg began his career as a teacher and devoted more than 30 years to education. As president of the Illinois Education Association, Reg helped lead the fight for collective bargaining rights for educators across Illinois, giving teachers a stronger voice in their schools and workplaces. He built coalitions, mentored future leaders, and pushed for better opportunities for both students and educators.
You get better results when you lift people up.
In 2002, Reg Weaver became president of the National Education Association.
Thou shalt honor thy teachers and not bash them, especially when thou hast not walked a day in our shoes.
During his 6 years leading the NEA, he advocated for stronger public schools, increased education funding, and fought to create equal opportunities for each student, regardless of race, backgrounds, or zip code. He also served as vice president of Education International, bringing his advocacy for educators to a global stage. Reg will be remembered, not just for his leadership, but for his kindness, his steadiness, and his ability to bring people together.
But that simply can't happen without quality education.
His impact can still be seen in the educators he mentored and the generations of students who benefited from his work. Thank you, Reg. Your voice, your leadership, and your commitment to public education will never be forgotten.
How about that?